All right, Mr. Freeze back here again, second edition, ready to go over TriPac 3 with you. Want to show you the similarities and a few of the differences that we have on the new unit compared to the other one. You can see the box style is still the same shape, still the same size, still going to take up the same amount of frame rail space. Inside's the same. We have a lot of the same stuff. A couple of the main differences that we've added this year to the new TriPac 3 is new style controller. We went back to a digital display controller. So instead of the old twist style knobs, you'll be back to digital. It's a smart controller. It's got everything you need in there for text. It's got hour meters, so you don't need to add that anymore. It's got capabilities beyond what we're using it for right now, so there'll be more to come on that. The other really cool feature that we have with the TriPac 3 is telematics. It ties right into our tracking, so you can see all of your assets, where they're located. You can see hours. You can see when they're due for their next services. And there's going to be a lot of really cool features coming down the pipe this year for that as well. Some fuel tax reporting, so you can make sure that you're saving on your taxes and see where you're burning your fuel. There's also going to be some other smart, innovative features with alarm codes and things like that that are going to be coming down hopefully by the end of the year, and we're going to see a lot of growth in that aspect as well. So a lot of the great things that you're still going to get from the old TriPac Evolution carried over to the new TriPac 3. You're also going to get a new controller on this one, which I know a lot of drivers were excited about getting back to a digital controller. And then you're also going to be getting that telematics, which is going to be awesome for fleets to manage their assets. If you're looking to get a new TriPac 3, swing down to Sanco, Thermo King, talk to Mr. Freeze, ask for Casey. We'll get you set up.